There has been a performer creating some serious buzz in the streets with his unique lyrical style. He not only has the image, he has the lyrics and the style because he is the element.
Yo, Seafood can come. Yalas, W, so one place, Amstead, St. Thomas. Get it, big up yourself in the nuts, scatter. Randy, it's Stone of Sound, you know the thing go. Entrance. I could have do some boy out the road when I want to get me love party and marga gal. Could have ugly like the people up here, you be hard the gal like money after you want me gal. And hear me buck again, up down at the carnival, the gal pretty like a Barbie gal. With a body like Kitty Bump, pass a big lord, the gal, the marga boy, I want the man. The mount a gal with me see me lead, me can't be got. Only one of them start to act. Who not take off the shirt, take off the socks, want see this, them want see that. Sit down and I breathe when I met and I go and relax, phone I ring me, no call it back. The mount a current when they in the socket a shot, the charger all the phone runner. What I could have ready? No, me not say that. If you say me never bother say that. Remember say me them on TV, everybody a watch. Later me everybody a chat. But guess what? Me never say me never drunk. Never say me never drunk. But I know the room and the rhythm in me head a bump. Everybody over here so. Well I know. Me never say me never drunk. Never say me never drunk. But I know the room and the rhythm in me head a bump. Everything in me head a jump. Hey, Miss Kitty watcher. No girl and money enough. Loan I create that I feel me choose when me come. That I me drink too many much. People all have cause me a ask when me come. Me never say me send it come. Me a choke me like me a hang it up. Me a ball done ready now. But me never ready and see a cigarette you know. Me see a girl look hot you know. Walk past and touch her, she look back you know. Same time she a back it up. But on the car where I pop on the sidewalk that you know. Me know say me pass you know. Cause at the first me a see a slim girl look so fat you know. Me not too like chat you know. So me just tell Miss Kitty baby, me strap you know. Go plastic a buckle you know. Now one with the plastic a quarter the apple you know. Little more me a apple you. Wake up a morning and wonder how you feel happy so Kitty. Never say she never done. She never say she never done. Why you? Seriously.
Why my stage look like this? Judges, was that the performance you were looking for? Troyton?
Okay, I calm down. I could hardly hear
Troyton.
my name just now, so that has been proven that you have done very well. Now, your energy, you're confident, way up there. So we have to give you 100% for that. You use the stage, very good, man.
All right,
Well. You know what say? When me see real star, me know star. When me see real artist, me know real artist. When I see real entertainer, I know real entertainer. And I gotta tell you, you have all the ingredients. It's like me I look on a Sanchez, me I look on a Super Cat, me I look on a Tanto Metro, me I look on beer bad artist on the stage right about now. And the clothes from the glasses to your boot pint, hello sir, you are keep in so wicked. Now the element, when you talk about lyrics, you have it. When you talk about fast flow, and what I love most about you, you're DJ fast, but we still hear everything. You have all sound effects and stuff. No, hello, sound effects while you're performing, and that is really commendable. Big up all of St. Thomas, big up all of Team Element, Standpipe Ever Hype, big up Shireen and Duncan where I watch the Element, trust me. Whenever you come out here, it's a fresh breath of air. You're so refreshing and so talented. And I hope Jamaica will continue to vote for you so you will continue being here. Blessed love. Bossa Miss Kitty Black.